Yamabella was a massive hit for Shaneil Muir in 2020. Let's hear the backstory behind this groundbreaking hit in this week's FIWI Culture segment.
It's your real top girl, Shaneil Muir, and right about now, just look out for everything while go on because I got into details with how Yamabella came about, so stay tuned here.
I will never ever live to impress people.
The backstory behind it, in that time frame, what was happening was this phrase called Yamed. So basically, to my understanding, Yamed was any man or woman who, you know, was being extra submissive to a person, even if it brings them fault.
Me not spend me rent in no party. And now buy patron if me don't have a pot right now, me leave when I say 40.
And at the time, I was working at Hilton, and I was working at nights actually. And Papi Dan had sent me that rhythm like 3 months before, and because I was in between work and I work nights, sleep in the day, so it's like I don't really get enough time to do the music as I wanted to. But around that time, I got laid off after the whole pandemic thing hit, and I wasn't working as much, so I was doing a lot of lives and stuff like that. And I wrote that song one night when he sent me the beat, and he was asking for an update because the producers, which were Top Breath Entertainment, wanted to know, you know, if they could get the track going. And I sat down and I was thinking about the whole concept of the song to write it, because when I'm going to write, I have to have I love to write songs that's very meaningful.
Them girl they are real Yamabella. He born me for them. Can't stand for say them. Can't man them under one umbrella.
I was thinking about Vybz Kartel's song Annabella Punchinella, and I was like, Yamed. Okay, I was like, okay, that makes sense.
Were you surprised that the song took off the way it did?
Honestly, I was surprised because obviously that's never happened to me before. So the thing is though, every time I do write, I write to have a song to take off.
What kind of doors did the song's success open for you musically, career-wise?
Yamabella opened a door that could never be closed. You know, and the only person that can close that door is me. Being able to perform in so many different places.
So me no live to impress people. I will never ever live to impress people.